Hey there. I've heard a lot about Tunisian cuisine lately, but I'm not quite sure what traditional Tunisian food is. Can you enlighten me?
Of course. Tunisian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors influenced by Mediterranean, North African, and Middle Eastern cuisines. It's known for its rich and diverse dishes, often characterized by the use of spices and fresh ingredients.
Sounds intriguing. What are some popular Tunisian dishes I should try?
Well, one of the most famous Tunisian dishes is couscous. It's made from steamed semolina wheat granules and is often served with a stew made from lamb, chicken, or fish, along with vegetables. The key to a good couscous dish is the flavorful broth and perfectly cooked grains.
Couscous. Got it. What else?
You can't miss brick, a popular Tunisian appetizer. It's a thin pastry filled with a mixture of egg, tuna, capers, and parsley, deep fried to crispy perfection. The contrast of textures and flavors in brick is simply amazing.
That sounds delicious. Are there any iconic street foods in Tunisia?
Absolutely! One of the most beloved street foods is macroud, which is a pastry filled with dates and flavored with cinnamon and orange blossom water. It's deep fried and then coated with honey or sugar syrup. It's sweet, crunchy, and addictive.
Macroud sounds like a sweet treat. What about savory street foods?
For savory street food, you must try merguez, a spicy sausage made from lamb or beef. It's often grilled and served in a baguette or with couscous. The spicy cake of merguez is a taste of Tunisia.
I'm a fan of spicy food, so merguez is going on my list. What's a traditional Tunisian meal like?
Traditional Tunisian meal often starts with an assortment of mets or appetizers like hummus, baba ganoush, and Tunisian salada. These are typically served with fresh bread, such as kubs, around flatbread.
Mets is always a great way to start a meal. What comes after that?
The main course often includes dishes like tagine, a slow-cooked stew made with meat, usually lamb or chicken, and a variety of vegetables and spices. It's incredibly flavorful and tender.
Tagine sounds delightful. Is there a specific dessert that's a must-try in Tunisia?
Absolutely! You can't leave Tunisia without trying mhalbi, a creamy milk pudding flavored with orange blossom and garnished with pistachios. It's a delightful way to end a meal.
Mhalbi sounds like a sweet note to end on. Thanks for sharing all this information about traditional Tunisian food. I can't wait to try these dishes.
You're welcome! Enjoy your culinary adventure in Tunisia. If you have any more questions or need recommendations, feel free to ask.